In a time where travel is growing more accessible again, there are now more portable gaming options to choose from. With successful releases such as the Rogue Ally, the Steam Deck OLED refresh, it's no surprise that Sony has decided to throw their hat in the ring once again. Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Paula, and in this video we're going to be talking about the PlayStation Portal, Sony's newest portable gaming device compatible with the PlayStation 5. So let me tell you how it works. Unlike the Steam Deck, the Rogue Ally, and even the Nintendo Switch, you can only justify getting the Portal if you're a proud owner of the PS5. So what it does is it streams and mirrors all the PS5 games that you love into a portable gaming accessory that you can take anywhere with you. However, there is a catch. In order to do this, you do have to be connected to Wi-Fi, preferably a strong connection, or else the device itself is pretty unusable. Let me show you guys what comes inside the box. Unboxing the Portal. This is gonna be short and sweet, I promise. So we got the box here. Makes it easy to pull up. Alright, USB-C charger, of course. Alright, so it looks exactly like the DualSense controller, so very familiar feel, more ergonomic than other like portable handheld devices. Wow, okay. Yeah, really thin screen. You can really see that profile right there. And I think that's pretty much everything that comes with the box. So yeah, what else is in here? Yep. Nothing else, just a device and the USB-C. Speaking of tech on the go, something that I try not to leave the house without is my Apple Watch, which is why I wanted to thank our friends at Astra Straps who kindly sent me a new strap to upgrade my Apple Watch to. So let me tell you a little bit about them and change out my straps real quick. Astra Straps redefine the appearance of your watch, imparting a classic and delightful aesthetic upgrade. These straps are designed for easy adjustments, ensuring a secure fit while making it convenient to put on and remove from your wrist. With a lightweight, flexible design characterized by clean lines, Astra Straps creates a unique textural experience. Available in multiple colors such as black, silver, rose gold, and champagne gold, crafted from high hardness, wear-resistant steel, these straps are built to last. If you're interested to learn more about Astra Straps, I will leave the link in the description down below, along with a 20% off coupon if you wanted to shop for yourself or for loved ones just in time for the holidays. Once again, thank you to our friends at Astra Straps, and now let's get back into the video. All right. So far we've talked about only the facts and figures, but in fact, the PlayStation Portal has had somewhat of a controversial release. Coming in at $200, a lot of people could argue that it might not be worth it because of all the performance issues that it was having. But since it has been released, it has come out with software updates, which I believe address a lot of those concerns. Personally, on the PlayStation 5, I play a lot of Fall Guys, a lot of Crash Bandicoot. So for today, I'll be testing it out with my favorite games, as well as some AAA games to really test out its performance. So audio's pretty good on this. It's connecting to the PlayStation outside. Okay. Okay, so I believe all of my games should already be here. Let's test this out with Fall Guys. Okay, so close that. Just gonna play a quick game. Okay, so no lag so far, just the game loading. Looks pretty smooth. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Get up, get up, get up. Try not to move it. Ooh, ah! Get up, get up, get up. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, well, I died. As far as this first sample, I haven't experienced any sort of delay. Everything is pretty accurate. Okay, this is really hard for me to talk in. Hold on. Get up, bro. Yes. Uh-oh. Oh my god. No. Okay. All right, well, that's pretty much this game. Okay, let me see if we can try a different game. Okay, so this next one's gonna be a AAA game. Final Fantasy is actually one of the games that a lot of people were experiencing a lot of lag with before, so it's really hard to see because I have a bright room. Okay.
That sounds like a child.
Okay, well, I haven't done much in this yet, but obviously not experiencing any of frame rate drop off, so I think this one's pretty okay. So after testing out the PlayStation Portal, here are my pros and cons. Part of the appeal of the PlayStation Portal is obviously the portability of your favorite PS5 games. You now have the ability to play in any part of your house and really anywhere that you have an internet connection. As far as the device itself, you can't deny that it looks pretty cool. The thin screen really does give you quite an impression. And of course, the familiarity of the controller being your handles is pretty nice and automatically ergonomic. So as far as user friendliness, this gets a big check mark. Sound quality is pretty good on the built-in speakers. The speakers are pretty nice and pretty accurate. Another pro would be, which is for the obvious, it mirrors everything that's on your PlayStation. So everything that you have downloaded already is automatically connected to this device as well. And lastly, when you think about value, let's break this down a little bit. So a PlayStation controller sets you back about $79. You can't really do much with it by itself. Whereas if you picked up a PlayStation Portal, this can technically also work as a controller to your console. So it has somewhat of a dual purpose. Then again, that means you are setting yourself $200 versus $79 for just the controller. So it's really up to you if that's really a strong pro. And of course, for the cons, unfortunately with the Portal, a lot of people have listed longer lists on their cons ever since its release. For me, when I was using the PlayStation Portal, I realized that one of the biggest cons that I would have with it is that it can't really stream. I only say this because I am coming from a Nintendo Switch. I am primarily a Nintendo Switch user, which does have the capability to stream, play YouTube and Netflix and a bunch of other apps. If you don't have a PS5, there's really no reason for you to pick up a Portal because it can't be its own standalone device. Basically, the way to think about it is the PS5 becomes a kind of cloud gaming software, which holds and stores all of your games. And then the actual device that you play it on is the PlayStation Portal. And of course, I would say arguably the biggest limitation is it requires internet connection. Not only internet connection, but a strong Wi-Fi signal. We actually even tested out using hotspot just to see if it can actually be on the go, as you're not always going to be around Wi-Fi, and especially not strong Wi-Fi. Like you can use public Wi-Fi connections out in like restaurants or hotels, but if that public Wi-Fi that you're trying to connect to requires you to enter some sort of information in order to get connected, the Portal won't be able to do that for you since it doesn't have a browser. And because of everything that we've mentioned, the ultimate setback is that there are no offline gaming capabilities. So traveling will become interesting with the Portal. Basically, anytime you're not at home with your console nearby, I would imagine it gets pretty limited as far as how you're using it. Now, there are talks of people being able to use it on flights, but I question what kind of internet connection they have. It has to have been pretty strong for them to be up in the air in a plane and also still be able to connect to it. But for most common portable uses, I don't think it's the most convenient gaming device to have. As far as what you guys know about the Portal now, what do you guys think about it? Is it worth it? Is it gonna be a big pass for you? I will say that when it works, it is pretty great. I could find myself playing on it a lot longer than the console personally, just because I myself move around the house a lot whenever I am playing. Unless I'm playing a AAA game that really requires my full attention, I'm perfectly happy with a portable gaming device. So for someone like me, I could actually see someone using it and really liking it. I want to know what you guys think about it. Let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want to see more tech and gear reviews, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.